So today I'm going to show you some bird tricks that my bird Abby just learned a few months ago. Okay. So first she is going to play the guitar and she's going to help me. Here she is. I know it may sound a little but it actually works. Okay. Sit down. Okay. Next she's going to do big thing. She's going to do her 10. Hi. Hi. Good girl. Good boy. Good girl. Let me go get a rope. Now we're thinking about it. Now it's big. Big thing, but it has some seeds that she likes. You want to get some treat? Hi. 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 Good. 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 Okay. Next one. Last one. Okay, she didn't. She didn't really like that trick a lot. Yeah. I think she'll be good. Good girl. Now she's gonna do a flip. Okay. You know that it's for her. You didn't have it. What yet? Okay, we're gonna try it one more time. Oh, she wants to play guitar again. Okay. One more time. take the left. Good girl. I'll show you. I'll show you a few places you were like this route. Good. Girl. There's one more to go. We're not gonna bore you. I'll tell you when I'm done with it. Oh, yeah, inside. Okay. She didn't bite me. Her clappers. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little bit long. Sorry about that. But, hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.